Here I have ZTE Blade 10 Prime, and today I'm going to show you how to wipe cache from this device. So firstly, you have to turn it off by holding power key, and after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination power key and volume up at the same time like this for a few seconds, and after the screen turns on you can release power key and keep holding volume up. When you're in this kind of menu, you can release all keys. Here you have to use volume keys to navigate to the 6th option, wipe cache partition, and then select it with power key. And then confirm the separation by selecting yes. After you see the message cache wipe complete, you can select the first option, reboot system now, and after that your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and bye.